Welcome to Sudoku SkVm. I'm going to solve the Hindu newspaper Sudoku puzzle on December 6, 2022, 5-star Sudoku. Sixth row, we have 3 and 5. So 3 and 5 can't come these cells. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Then 5th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 6 and 7. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. 5th row and 7th row, we have 4. Column H also we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. Then 4 is confirmed here. 6th grade, column B we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells. Then 8 is confirmed here. Then 6th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 9. Column B we have 1. So 1 can't come in the cell. 1 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. Column B, column D we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells. Then 1 is confirmed here. 6th grade, column D we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells. Then 5 is confirmed here. Then we can confirm 3 also here. Column D, 5th row we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells. Then 5 is confirmed here. Then 4th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 6. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. 9th row, we have 4 and 6. So 4 and 6 can't come these cells. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Then column B, only one number is remaining, 3. 3 is confirmed here. 9th grade, and then column D, we have pair numbers 6 and 5. So 6 and 5 can't come these cells. Column F also we have 6 and 5. So 6 and 5 can't come these cells. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. 8th row, 9th row we have 8. Column I, column J also we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells. Then 8 is confirmed here. Column I, column J we have 7. So 7 can't come these cells. Then 7 is confirmed here. 8th row we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells. 1 will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. Column D and 7th grade we have 2 and 3. Column F also we have 2 and 3. So 2 and 3 can't come these cells. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Then 8th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 9. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Column F, column G, we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. Then 2 is confirmed here. 9th row, column D, we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. Then 2 is confirmed here. Column D and 3rd row, we have pair numbers 6 and 5. So 6 and 5 can't come these cells. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Column D, 9th row, we have 6. So 6 can't come these cells. Then 6 is confirmed here. Then we can confirm 4 also here. Then column C, 2 numbers are remaining, 7 and 9. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. The 9th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 9. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Column I, 5th row, we have 9. So 9 can't come these cells. The 9 is confirmed here. Then 7th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 6. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. 2nd row, 3rd row, we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. And 2 is confirmed here. Then column H, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 6. It will come in another 2 cells. we will confirm later. Column I, third row, we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells, then 1 is confirmed here. Column I, we have 9. So 9 can't come these cells, the 9 is confirmed here. Third row, we have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell, 9 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. In the first grid, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 9. It will come in the 2 cells. We will confirm later. Column D, we have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell, 9 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. 9th row, we have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell, 9 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. 9th row, we have 1 and 4. So 1 and 4 can't come this cell, it will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Then 7th grade, only 1 number is remaining, 7. 7 is confirmed here. The 9th row, only 1 number is remaining, 7. 7 is confirmed here. Column C, we got 7. So 7 can't come in the cell, 7 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Column G, we got 6. So 6 can't come in the cell, 6 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Column E, 3 numbers are remaining, 5, 8, 9. Third row, we have 5 and 9. So 5 and 9 can't come this cell, it will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Then only 1 number is remaining, 8. 8 is confirmed here. Third row, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 4. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Column F, 3 numbers are remaining, 1, 4, 7. Fourth row, we have 4 and 7. So 4 and 7 can't come this cell, it will come in another 2 cells. 8th grade, we had 7. So 7 can't come in the cell, 7 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Then column F, only 1 number is remaining, 1. 1 is confirmed here. Then 8th grade, only 1 number is remaining, 1. 1 is confirmed here. Then column G, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 4. Fourth row, we have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell, 4 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Fourth row, we have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell, 3 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. Fourth row, we have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell, 9 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Fourth row, we have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell, 5 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Third row, we have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell. Third row, only 1 number is remaining, 3. 3 is confirmed here. Third grade, we have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell, 3 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Then second row, only 1 number is remaining, 4. 4 is confirmed here. Column I, we have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell, 3 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Column I, we have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell, 2 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Then column D, only 1 number is remaining, 6. 6 is confirmed here. Then fifth row, only 1 number is remaining, 2. 2 is confirmed here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share this video. Thank you very much.